friends, good morning. Today we will learn in English that revision of lesson number 10, the story of cricket. Then first you open your textbooks, page number 143, the comprehension check 1. Question number 1. Cricket is originally A or N. Then given three options: Indian game, British game, international game, and mark the right answer. Which is the right answer here? Friends, you know that cricket game is come from that British country, so we call that cricket is originally an British game. Its answer British game. Now question number 2. There is a historical reason behind both these oddities. In the preceding two paragraphs, find two words means praise that mean the same oddities. Means friends, you see here the oddities means different from other word. You know that odd and even. Odd means different from other. Yeah, circle one odd words. Then two words. Right here only two words. Peculiarities and curious characteristic. There two words is that paragraph in oddities means odd of each others. Now question number 3. How is a cricket bat different from hockey stick? Friends, you know, then cricket bat is you like to very easy. You draw also very easily. For example, hockey is look like this type, and cricket bat is this type but long. It is very short. So you see here that different from each others. Now friends, the right answer is unlike a hockey stick, a cricket bat is not curved at the bottom. जो हॉकी स्टिक थी वो नीचे से ऐसे टेढ़ी थी मीन्स कर्व्ड थी. देन द क्रिकेट बैट इज स्लांट मीन्स सीधा था, स्लांट स्टैंडिंग जैसा था. इट्स विड्थ ऑफ द बैट इज 4 इंचेस और उसकी जो विड्थ थी वो 4 इंच मीन्स आवर टेक्स्ट बुक्स थोड़ी कम मीन्स 4 इंच इतनी ही होगी, इतने 4 इंच जितनी होगी ये इतनी होती है, इतनी तुम्हें देखनी है. देन वेयर इज द विड्थ ऑफ द हॉकी स्टिक इज स्मॉलर. और हॉकी की स्टिक एक लकड़ी की जैसे होती है और वो स्टिक की तरह काम करती है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट comprehension check 2, page number 146. Write true or false against each of the following sentence. The first, India joined the world of the test cricket before independence. Yes, it is right. You see in your textbooks page number in that when in the British Empire, then the cricket game is bring the Persian people. Which people bring the cricket in our India? The Persian people. In 1744. Then they come to that 1744. The cricket first time the cricket became game played in India. Now, this sentence, first sentence, India joined the world of the Test cricket before independence. The first sentence is true. Second, that the colonials did nothing to encourage the Parsis in playing cricket. No, the first time the cricket game come into India, that Parsi people is play in that societies, means colonies, in that Bombay Gymkhana. So the sentence is true. Palwankar Balu was the Indian first test captain. Here you know that Palwankar Balu is not first Indian cricket team player. But I say you, Palwankar Balu was not first India's first cricket test captain. But Sikke Naidu, who was the first cricket team captain, the Sikke Naidu was Indian first test captain. So this sentence is wrong, but the sentence we change to the Palwankar Balu instead of we write that Sikke Naidu, then the sentence is right. Next, number 4. Australia played its first test against England as a sovereign nation. No, this sentence is wrong. Now, next question, comprehension check 3, page number 148. In question number 1, a professional cricket player is one who makes a living by playing cricket. Find the opposite of the professional in this last paragraph. Now, friends, you say in the last paragraph, that find that opposite word of that professional. Then here given the last word is the, in last paragraph, the word is the amateur. Now question number 2. In the trump of the one day game, trump means the one day games. Now there are given that 4 words, which is the right: superiority of test cricket, inferiority of test cricket to test cricket, achievement and success over the test cricket. Number 4, popularity among the viewers. Make the right options. In this 4 options, the fourth number options is correct. Popularity among viewers, the right answers. Now, question number 3. The man of the following word is the stage. The man for whom the world is the stage. The first, miss which stage for whom the world stage. Find that correct sentence in these 3 sentences. The first, it referred to the famous cricket field in the world. It means that there are many cricket playing countries in the world. Number 3, it implies the cricket or actor and every cricket ground is like a stage on which the drama of cricket is enacted the world over. Mark the right answer. So friends, that right sentence is third numbers. It implies that cricket are actors and every cricket ground is like the stage on which The drama of cricket is enjoyed over world over. Now, page number 148, question answer. Name some stick and ball game that have the witnessed or head off. Now, you say here hockey, and you said the ball and bat. Means stick, yeah, bat we call. Baseball, same too. Cricket and golf are some of the stick and ball games that I have seen or heard of. Which games you remember? Hockey, baseball, cricket, and golf. In this game, we needed the ball and stick. Yeah, we call that cricket in bat. Now, question number second. The Parsis were the first Indian community to take the cricket. Why? The Parsi. The Parsis were the first Indian community to take the cricket as they were close to the British because of their interest in trade and westernized way of living. Means Persian people have more interesting in that business. So they are collaboration of the British countries, and the British countries people, they are playing that cricket, and also they are come from this game come from by in India by the trade Parsians people, Parsis people. Now question number 3. The rivalry between the Parsis and Bombay Gymkhana had a happy ending for former. What does happy ending refer to? What is the meaning of that happy ending? So you say here the rivalry between two peoples, Parsi peoples and Bombay Gymkhana. Means Parsi people, and that means community of Parsi peoples, and Bombay Gymkhana means trust of that Bombay Gymkhana had happy ending with the Parsis as they defeated that Bombay Gymkhana while only club in the game of cricket. जब उन्होंने वो बॉम्बे जिमखाना बिगाड़ दिया ब्रिटिशरों ने, then they people play only the cricket in that Bombay Gymkhana instead of that only playing in club. Now question number 4. Do you think cricket owes the present of popularity to the television? Justify your answers. Do you think the cricket owes its present popularity to the television? Justify your answers. Friends, always cricket is a popular and famous in India because more than population of all over the world. First answer, yes, cricket owes in present popularity to televisions. All the channels gave the present of that cricket match. Also in they gave share the link of on mobile. It is television that has made the possible for small city dwellers and villagers to enjoy the international cricket matches. हम टेलीविज़न के ज़रिए पूरे भारत में सिटी बिग हो या स्मॉल हो, सेम टू अ स्मॉल विलेज, द क्रिकेट वी कैन सी ऑन टेलीविज़न. So it is very popular. Question number 5. Why cricket has a large viewership in India not in China or Russia. Cricket, viewership में what a viewership for India. तो पॉपुलेशन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन व्यूअरशिप. पब्लिक ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ व्यूअरशिप का कोई प्रॉब्लम रहता नहीं है, वो एक बार तो देख लेते हैं, इसलिए व्यूअरशिप अपने आप बढ़ जाती है. वी कॉल देम TRP. तो क्रिकेट हैज़ अ लार्ज व्यूअरशिप इन इंडिया बिकॉज हियर द प्लेयर्स आर बेस्ट पेड. हमारे प्लेयर कैसे हैं? तो बेस्ट पेड. एंड दे are very popular. Moreover, cricket and hardly played in China or Russia. Second things, our player is very fine. Then also they are played for our country, and more people they are interested in that cricket and less than in China और रसिया में कम उसे प्ले करते हैं इसीलिए, और चाइना में भी कम, इसलिए उनकी व्यूअरशिप कम है. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द गेम्स मीन्स क्रिकेट इक्विपमेंट. तो क्रिकेट इक्विपमेंट मीन्स अ मटेरियल यूज्ड फॉर प्लेइंग द गेम ऑफ क्रिकेट इन इंक्लूड बैट, बॉल, स्टैम्प, बेल्स, पैड्स, hamlet, etc. But our Indian has the international game hockey, and Gujarat state game is kabaddi. No any things you needed. You gather then for a 5-6 persons playing starting. But cricket have needed to that equipment means instrument. So bat, ball, stump, bells, pads, hamlet, etc. They needed for playing. Question number 7. एक सेकंड. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हाउ इज द टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज यूनिक गेम इन मैनी वेज. टेस्ट क्रिकेट is a unique game because it is only a game which can continue for 5 days and still ending in a draw. Not just that, the test cricket is slower as well as costlier than other games. Cricket is a unique game because the game is taken more than time of the players and other peoples. Second things, they are sometime more than time for a 5 days are playing continue after drop. क्या हो जाता है? मैच ड्रॉ हो जाती है. And second things, it is very costlier, so all the persons and people do not playing these games. The cricket is a unique game because it is only game which can continue for 5 days. कितने दिन तक कंटिन्यू होती है? 5 days. एंड स्टिल इन एंड, और जब एंड होता है तब क्या हो जाता है गेम का? वो ड्रॉ हो जाती है. नॉट जस्ट दैट, द टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज स्लोअर एज वेल एज कॉस्टलियर देन अदर गेम्स. और क्या हो जाती है? वो स्लोअर भी होती है लेकिन अदर से थोड़ी फास्ट खेली जाती है नहीं है, लेकिन कॉस्टलियर भी होती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. हाउ इज क्रिकेट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर टीम गेम्स. क्रिकेट दूसरों से अलग क्यों है? द क्रिकेट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर टीम गेम्स बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टीम sport such as a hockey and football lay down that dimension of the playing area. मीन्स क्रिकेट में जितने भी प्लेयर हैं वो सारे वहाँ ग्राउंड पे होते नहीं हैं. देन अदर गेम फुटबॉल लाइक एज अ हॉकी all that type games in all the player on the ground means on playing area. क्रिकेट डज नॉट, इन क्रिकेट में नहीं होते वो. हाफ टीम वहाँ बाहर ही होती है, ऑन दैट प्ले ओनली सेइंग, ओनली वो देखते रहते हैं। इट इज़ ऑल्सो मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी इज कंज्यूमिंग गेम, इसलिए हमारा ज़्यादातर टाइम वैसे ही वेस्ट हो जाता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इन हाउ हैव एडवांस इन टेक्नोलॉजी इफेक्टेड द गेम ऑफ क्रिकेट। The advancement, the advancement in technology has affected the protective equipment of cricket. प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट, बॉल से बचने के लिए हमारे क्या चाहिए? इक्विपमेंट, प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट। नाउ अ डेज दैट वेल्कनाइज्ड रबर इज यूज्ड फॉर पेड एंड ग्लव्स, जो ग्लव्स होते हैं हमारे हैंड्स के, वो ग्लव्स और पेयर के में जो होते हैं पेड, वो वेल्कनाइज्ड रबर से बने हुए होते हैं। Hamlet made for the lightweight material also commonly used. Or then we wear that Hamlet for lightweighted and commonly wear. Means two players also wearing that. Means two player means वही जो प्ले बैटिंग करते हैं वो। Now question number 10. Explain how cricket is changed with the changing times and yet remained the unchanged in some ways. Cricket changed with the changing times and yet the remained is unchanged. Some of its import tools like a bat and ball are all made of natural. मीन्स अभी भी जो बैट और बॉल है वो नेचुरल थिंग्स से बनाए जाते हैं। प्री इंडस्ट्रियल मटेरियल, पहले जो इंडस्ट्री में जो मटेरियल थे वो दे आर हैंडमेड, और बैट एंड बॉल ऑल्सो दैट हैंडमेड। बट द प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट सच एज अ पेड, और प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट लाइक एज अ पेड, गॉल्स एंड हैमलेट हैव द अंडरगॉन चेंजिंग्स, उसमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस ड्यू टू द टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट, उसमें सारे चेंजिंग आते जाए, लेकिन ओनली नो चेंज इन दैट बैट एंड बॉल। सो फ्रेंड्स, you understand, I hope you understand this question answers. Now you read this question answer for your preparations. Thank you.